Hey there, everyone! I hope you're as excited as I am because we're about to dive into the world of WorkPro tools. These incredible tools are designed to make your work easier, more efficient, and even more enjoyable. So, let's jump right in. The WorkPro 10-piece precision screwdriver set with case is a game changer for anyone who loves repairing their eyeglasses, watches, computers, or phones. This versatile set includes Phillips, slotted, and Torx star screwdrivers in different sizes and colors, making it easy to tackle any job. The magnetic feature ensures a secure grip on screws, preventing frustrating slips and drops. With its non-slip grip handle, you'll have total control and comfort while working. The set comes neatly organized in a convenient case, making it portable and perfect for on-the-go repairs. The WorkPro claw hammer is a must-have tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional. With its 20-ounce one-piece forged construction, this hammer is built to withstand tough tasks and ensure long-lasting performance. What sets it apart is the magnetic nail holder, which securely holds nails in place for effortless nailing. No more frustration with dropped nails or unstable grip. The hammer's air cushion handle is designed to reduce vibrations, providing a comfortable and controlled grip while minimizing fatigue. The WorkPro folding utility knife is a versatile and essential tool for any toolbox. With its quick-change box cutter feature, blade replacement is a breeze without the need for additional tools. The knife's handle conveniently stores 5 extra blades, ensuring you always have a sharp edge at your fingertips. These high-quality blades are designed for durability and precision, providing clean and efficient cuts for a variety of tasks. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Its folding design allows for easy storage and portability, making it ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're opening packages, cutting materials, or tackling home improvement projects, the WorkPro folding utility knife is a reliable companion that combines convenience, durability, and functionality. The WorkPro self-adjusting wire stripper is a highly versatile tool designed to simplify your electrical projects. This 3-in-1 automatic tool functions as a wire stripper, cutter, and crimper, making it an essential addition to any toolbox. With its self-adjusting feature, it accommodates wire sizes ranging from AWG10 to AWG24, eliminating the need for manual adjustments or multiple tools. This saves you valuable time and ensures precise and consistent stripping. The 8-inch multipliers provide a comfortable grip and excellent leverage for effortless wire handling. The sharp cutting edges guarantee clean and accurate cable cutting, while the built-in crimper allows you to create secure connections with ease. Whether you're working on electrical installations, repairs, or DIY projects, the WorkPro self-adjusting wire stripper is a reliable and versatile tool that enhances your efficiency and precision. The WorkPro bar clamps for woodworking are a must-have for any woodworking project. This 6-pack set includes 4 6-inch clamps and 2 12-inch clamps, offering versatility for various tasks. Designed for one-handed operation, these clamps provide convenience and ease of use. The quick change feature allows for seamless transition between clamping and spreading. With a 150 pounds load limit, they offer reliable holding power for light-duty woodworking. The clamps feature durable construction and ergonomic handles for comfort and control. Enhance your woodworking efficiency and precision with the WorkPro bar clamps, an essential toolset for every woodworker. The WorkPro 18-piece drive tool accessory set is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional mechanic. This comprehensive set includes socket adapters, extensions, universal joints, and an impact coupler, providing you with a wide range of options for various applications. With sizes available for 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 drives, this set covers all your drive tool needs. The socket adapters allow for seamless compatibility between different drive sizes, while the extensions provide extended reach in tight spaces. The universal joints enable flexibility in accessing hard-to-reach angles, and the impact coupler is designed to withstand high-torque impact applications. The WorkPro 8-inch mini bolt cutter is a compact and powerful tool designed for cutting various materials. Its chrome molybdenum steel blade ensures exceptional cutting strength and durability. The bi-material ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the 3-color design adds a touch of style. Equipped with a security lock, this bolt cutter ensures safe storage and transportation. With its efficient leverage, cutting becomes effortless and efficient. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the WorkPro 8-inch mini bolt cutter is a reliable and convenient tool for cutting bolts, wires, chains, and more with precision and ease. The WorkPro cordless reciprocating saw offers powerful cutting performance and convenience. With a 1-inch stroke length and variable speed motor reaching up to 2,800 SPM, it delivers efficient and precise cutting. The cordless design, powered by a 20-volt 4.0Ah battery, allows freedom of movement, while the built-in LED light illuminates the work surface. Tool-free blade changes and pivoting shoes for angle adjustment provide added convenience. The long-lasting battery with real-time capacity display ensures uninterrupted operation, and the compact design and soft grip ergonomic handle enhance maneuverability and reduce fatigue. With a safety lock feature, this reciprocating saw guarantees safe operation. The WorkPro caulking gun is a versatile and efficient tool for precise application of caulking and sealants. Its adjustable design allows for no dripping regulating, ensuring clean and mess-free work. With a comfortable grip, this caulk gun provides a secure and ergonomic hold, minimizing hand fatigue during extended use. The gun offers both a 9:1 and 18:1 thrust ratio, making it suitable for a wide range of sealants with different viscosities. The smooth round rod is specifically designed for 10-ounce caulk tubes, ensuring smooth and consistent dispensing. Whether you're sealing windows, filling gaps, or working on various sealing projects, the WorkPro caulking gun is a reliable and user-friendly choice. Its adjustable features, comfortable grip, and thrust ratio options make it a valuable tool for achieving professional quality results. The WorkPro 22-piece ratcheting combination wrench set is a comprehensive and versatile toolset. It includes 11 metric wrenches ranging from 6 mm to 18 mm and 11 SAE wrenches ranging from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch. The 72-tooth ratchet mechanism allows for smooth operation in tight spaces. The ratcheting feature eliminates the need for repositioning the wrench, saving time and effort. Made of durable chrome vanadium steel, these wrenches ensure longevity. The set comes in a convenient organizer box for easy storage and transport. Whether you're a mechanic or DIY enthusiast, the WorkPro 22-piece ratcheting combination wrench set provides reliable performance in a wide range of sizes for various tasks. The WorkPro cordless electric ratchet wrench is a powerful and convenient tool for automotive and mechanical applications. With a 3/8-inch drive size and 12-volt power, it delivers 40 ft-lbs of torque for efficient fastening and loosening of bolts and nuts. The wrench kit includes a 9-piece socket accessory set, offering versatility for various tasks. Powered by two 2.0 lithium-ion batteries, this cordless wrench provides extended runtime and quick rechargeability. Its compact and ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while the built-in LED light illuminates the work area. The WorkPro cordless electric ratchet wrench is a reliable and versatile tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The WorkPro 12-volt cordless rotary toolkit is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for a wide range of handmade and DIY projects. With its 5 variable speeds, this rotary tool provides flexibility and control for various applications. This kit includes a powerful engraver, sander, and polisher, allowing you to tackle a variety of tasks with ease. The tool is compatible with 114 easy change accessories, providing you with the right tool for every project. The cordless design offers freedom of movement and makes it convenient to use in different locations without the hassle of cords. The 12-volt battery provides ample power and runtime to complete your projects. Whether you're engraving, sanding, polishing, or working on other craft projects, the WorkPro 12-volt cordless rotary toolkit is your go-to tool. Its versatility, powerful performance, and extensive accessory selection make it an essential tool for DIY enthusiasts and crafters. The WorkPro folding saw is a compact and versatile tool for outdoor activities. With a 7-inch blade and triple-cut teeth, it offers efficient and precise cutting of trees, branches, and shrubs. Whether gardening, camping, or hunting, this portable saw is a reliable companion. The safety button lock ensures secure handling and prevents accidental openings. Built to withstand tough conditions, it features a durable construction. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for extended use without fatigue. The WorkPro folding saw is an essential tool for gardeners, campers, and hunters, combining sharp cutting power, safety features, and portability for all your outdoor cutting needs. The WorkPro 10-inch torpedo level is a compact and reliable tool for precise leveling and alignment. With its small size, it is easy to carry and use in tight spaces. Equipped with 3 bubble vials, including vertical and horizontal levels, it ensures accurate measurements and quick adjustments. Specifically designed for conduit bending, it is perfect for electricians and professionals working with conduit installations. The level's aluminum alloy construction provides durability and lightweight functionality, making it ideal for rugged conditions. Whether you're working on construction projects or plumbing installations, the WorkPro 10-inch torpedo level is a dependable tool for achieving accurate leveling and alignment. The WorkPro Ratchet PVC Pipe Cutter Tool is a versatile and efficient tool for cutting pipes. With the ability to cut up to 1 5/8-inch PX, PVC, PPR, and plastic hoses, it is suitable for a variety of home repair and plumbing tasks. Equipped with sharp 5CR15 MOV stainless steel blades, it ensures clean and precise cuts. The ratchet mechanism provides increased cutting power and allows for easy and controlled operation. Whether you're a homeowner or a professional plumber, the WorkPro Ratchet PVC Pipe Cutter Tool is a reliable and versatile tool that delivers accurate and clean cuts for a range of pipe sizes and materials. The WorkPro 3 Pieces Tubing Cutter Set is a versatile tool set designed for cutting pipes of various sizes and materials. With cutting capacities ranging from 1/8 inch to 1 1/4 inch, this set includes 3 different sized pipe cutters to handle different pipe sizes. Whether it's copper, aluminum, brass, or plastic tubing, these cutters deliver clean and precise cuts, ensuring smooth pipe ends for proper connections. Additionally, one of the pipe cutters in the set features a deburring tool, allowing you to remove burrs and sharp edges for a professional finish. The WorkPro Tubing Cutter Set is ideal for plumbing, HVAC, and other pipe-related projects, providing reliable and accurate cutting performance.